this person. Yes? Go right ahead, please. I Selassie.
What
Selassie.
can go so?
Pull up. Senator Crawford. Boy.
What's going on? Hail the king.
Hail the king. Hail the man. Hail the man. What a moment.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir. Thank you for gracing my platform. I really appreciate this from the bottom of my heart. Trust me. Trust me.
Yeah, man. We just a big up and a thank you and the total team, who have been instrumental in getting our message out,
That is it.
Everybody in the chat, big up to and thanks for supporting, giving us that energy and that encouragement to go there and fight,
That is it. That is it. Boy, I wonder if I want the labor rights. Hey, labor rights them dead in the show, The labor rights them dead in the show. On the rock and come in, cause the party just a start. Not just 2 o'clock, Remember the permit go right up until 6 p.m. So we have one heap of time left. What happened? Everybody broke. I realized the money gun them stop coming in and I have a target of 10. I received 2 out of the 10 so far. I wanted to continue to bless up, and just show me appreciation. For those of you who don't have it to give, just continue to tap up the screen. The target and the goal is 1 million tap for my 1-year anniversary. Give me 1 million tap. We are 682,000. The goal was 400. We passed 400 and reached 500. We passed 500 and we reached 600. And we are moments away from 700K. And say from we reach 700K, we are going to take a little break, drink some water, hope to refresh themselves and come again. 300K, a simple something to get by now and 6 o'clock. The dance I got turn right up now. Big up yourself, Comrade Manly Clark. Manners and respect, my brother. God is good. Want to say 710K, I must drop the good news. Big up yourself, Comrade Manly Clark. Manners and respect. Don't forget you can follow his page as well, comrades. Don't miss out on some of the good work that he's doing in Northwest St. Anne, and without a doubt, he will help Senator Gabriella Morris bring home that constituency. So go right ahead and follow Comrade Manly Clark's page. What you say? 710K or wait until it reach 750? Me feel you can continue tap up, man. Cause me have one extra price to drop on, Yes, man. Don't take the Dre Bryan thing lightly, man. Let me say, we hear from party leader Mark Golding. We hear from the General Secretary, Dr. Dayton Campbell. We hear from the party chairman, Dr. Angela Brownberg. We hear from the Vice President, Comrade Ian Hales. We hear from our next Minister of Education, Senator Damian Crawford. We hear from His Worship, the Mayor, Norman Scott. We hear from numerous councillors. Let me tell you something, man. The Dre Bryan show is global, And I really, really appreciate every single one of you comrades that tap up the screen, send a GIF, repost, reshare my video them, make the things them go viral, or sometime I not even know what me I say, me just put up the video them, and when you look on the video them, it resonate and you keep on repost and share, and in a split second, it gone viral. I appreciate each and every one of you that like up the video them. I appreciate each and every one of you that take a moment to share. I could not have reached this far without each and every one of you. I thank you all from the bottom of my heart. So right now, people, we are going to turn things down a notch. The party not done yet, at 6 o'clock before the permit expire. The police them say you have up until 6 o'clock, and by 6 o'clock, say we are going to reach the 1 million. A 1 year, so it's 1 million likes we are go for. People, The dance I go turn up right now. I want to see all of the comrade ladies them just walk out pan this one. Just walk out for me no comrade ladies.
It's sweet to the belly. Suck the breast like jelly, don't Shelly. She sing like Kelly. She know I no man yama like
Henry, I see you. I
Wings
see
to
you.
fly. Oh, I'm alive.
force it in her heart, make she play from the bed, go straight na than car. And the Guinness me go for her, make she feel like the sun where she have no fear. She say, all is fear window and wall.
Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. You know, rock and come in another class, no man. Rock and come in.
It's sweet to the belly. Suck the breast like jelly, don't Shelly. She sing like Kelly. She know I no man yama like R.
I
Kelly.
get wings to fly. Oh, I'm alive.
Oh, John, good
Force it in her
afternoon,
heart,
good
make she play
afternoon,
from the
brother.
bed, go straight na than car. And the Guinness
Pull up.
Good
Walk on,
afternoon.
my brother Kemar. Walk on.
Me there, me miss the party, you know.
Boy, the party not done yet, man. You're not done yet, but you miss.
Me there work and me tune in one night time and the phone get cut off. You see me there work and just get a break and me say me I'll tune in back to you, you know.
Boy, guess what you miss? Party leader send him him love. General
I ask
Secretary.
you, man.
Yes, man.
Big up.
General Secretary, Vice President Ian Ailes. Listen, man.
Yeah.
The big role as them show up, man.
All right. Enough love for your anniversary. And I wish you all the best. I hope you continue to do your best, you know.
Thank you, Kemar. Appreciate you, my
Yeah, man,
brother.
just go and do your best, man. Me the little breaks time.
Thank you. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man,
Big up
one love.
That is
Yeah,
it.
man.
That is it.
Alright.
All of the comrade ladies, them have phone time and you just walk out and flash on your pan the labor rights. Them have phone time now, walk out.
it's sweet to the belly. Suck the breast like jelly, don't Shelly. She sing like Kelly. She know I no man yama like R.
I
Kelly.
get wings to fly.
Afternoon, Charmaine Harrison, walk on.
Good afternoon, Dre. Let me tell you something. You're so special. You wouldn't understand how special you are. You are the only man who have me sit down and wait for talk to you for 3 hours.
Jesus have
Only
mercy.
man. Wait, Dre, I patiently waited on you.
My God.
Patiently. You know, quickly, I came across your page one day when you were the first time, because like this comrade Karen, me did just get turned off, and it never nice to me. PNP never like have anything more for me. I mean, it's like a vibrant PNP, you know. And
Yes.
I came across your live one day, the first time when you were interviewing Comrade Patmore.
Yes.
That was the first time. And I was like, yo, this sound interesting.
Yes.
But I am the person who investigate who may I listen to first.
Yes.
Me start investigate, and everybody said this and said that. Me say, no, this person have a purpose.
Thank
So
you.
the thing I have to say to you, Dre, is this. Before you were formed in your mother's womb, that's Jeremiah 1, verse 5, he knew you.
Yes.
And he said, when your ways, Lord, he make it your enemies to be at peace with you. That's Proverbs 6, verse 7. But what I can tell you, Dre, is that purpose cannot die.
That's right.
Purpose cannot die. Dre, you are purpose for the PNP.
Thank you.
I appreciate how you mature. I appreciate how you eloquently deliver. I appreciate the facts them you have, and I appreciate your fact-finding persons. Howard, Mr. Cole, the whole of them.
Yes.
And honestly, I listen to 3 persons only: you, Jam Views, and Howard. And I was never one to participate on your platform. I like to listen before
Yes.
I participate. So I just want to say this. I appreciate you. I love you.
Thank you.
I give you all the respect due
Thank you.
to a person, the highest respect, Dre.
Thank you.
And that is all I have to say. I am going to do my little portion. I will let Howard know, right?
All
But
right.
Dre, I love you and I thank you for taking on this mantle for the People's National Party.
I appreciate
All right?
you. I appreciate you. Thank you,
Okay.
Comrade Charmaine. Big up yourself.
Okay,
Big up
Comrade
yourself.
Charmaine.
God. A problem now. Good afternoon, T-Play. How you do, my darling?
What's up? What's up? What's up? The dance nice. I'd like to register a complaint.
Go right ahead. What's the complaint?
The Manish water finish. And I am very upset. I had placed an order for the Manish water along with some roast corn.
Jesus have
And
mercy.
I would like to know where I can file my complaint immediately.
Sanaya Cook. Nail her to the cross. Comrade
Yes,
Sanaya
yes, she's the
Cook.
one.
Yes.
She are the one. Yes,
Yes.
yes. Sanaya, I am in the back. Could you please come around with a Manish water and 3 roast corn, please? Thank you very much. In
love
the
you.
meanwhile,
Yes.
I just want to say how proud I am of you.
Thank you.
And the comrade sister before said it. You have grown. You have matured. You're willing to listen, which is so important.
True.
It is so important. In order to grow, you have to listen. And I have watched you, especially in the last few months, come into your purpose, as she said.
Thank
Not
you.
get distracted by outside forces and veer off course.
True.
So I appreciate you. I appreciate your hard work.
Thank
The
you.
comrades appreciate your hard work. Jamaica appreciates your hard work. And all I'm saying is just go from strength to strength, my comrade brother.
Love
We're
you.
right here beside you.
Love you. God
All
bless
right.
you. God bless you.
Love and love alone.
My
All right.
God, I feel nice. Jamaica people, what a special afternoon. Eh? I love how the comrades them come out and I support the thing. 7,000 more before I drop the good news, my people. 750K before we drop them your news here, because them news are not normal, you know. Stick and stay. Continue to tap up the screen. The dance nice. Continue to stick and stay, please. Continue to stick and stay. Good afternoon, Janai. What go on, my brother?
Yeah, man, me there, you know, long me there wait, but me I go and hold it because
Why
me
the
drink
line
and
long?
drunk and there, but
The line long.
yeah, man, I want to tell you say happy anniversary.
Thank you.
You know, man, I want to tell you say happy anniversary, and I want to play the music here because I know this is how everybody feel tonight. I want everyone to join the party, party and have a good time. The more the merrier. The family come, so I gonna have some fun. And when that gets up in the night, stand down. What a lullaby land. You see, long time we don't have no nice time. Now I feel the spirit moving in me. So mark my words, every time you miss me, I'll be jumping in a cocoa party. Stand good, play a proper song for me. I wanna jump with the cocoa party. One blood in harmony. All we are one big happy family. You see, long time we don't have no nice time. Now I feel the spirit moving in me. So mark my words, anytime you miss me, I'll be jumping in a cocoa party. I'm good. Rock on the rock with the dance for Comanche. This a party at #1. Say Matthew, Mark, Luke and John. Put down the park and I eat the hand. Long time we never see you. Make me feel like fun. Long time we never see you. Oh, make me feel like fun. Oh, Mr. Peanut, darling. Not to get fire, but everybody run come. Make me feel like fun. Partner, make me feel like fun. party. Long time, we don't have no nice time. Now I feel the spirit moving in me. So mark my words, anytime you miss me.
All right, Janai. All right, I see you. I see you.
Be glad you said don't call me.
All right. Jay?
I big up yourself, big up yourself, big up yourself, my brother. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
All right, respect.
All right, my brother. All right,
Long
my
time.
brother. All right, my brother. God bless you, God bless you. Jamaica, are you ready, my people? I wonder if you're not ready, my people. Jamaica, I want you to turn your attention to the screen. It has passed 750K. And as I promised, I am going to drop something big right now. I want you to guess the next comrade that bigging up the Dre Bryan platform, that is wishing my 1 year anniversary success. I bet you no can guess and tell me is who. If you no think you no bad, you no guess and tell me the voice you're about to hear. Listen up, my people. I tell them, don't play with Dre Bryan.
Big up yourself, Dre Bryan, on your first anniversary on TikTok. 1 more year on the bug of them. Yeah, man. Keep up the good work. Yes, my brother. The word is love.
You no guess and tell me that, no man. Guess and tell me whose voice is that.
Big up yourself, Dre Bryan, on your first anniversary on TikTok. 1 more year on the bug of them. Yeah, man. Keep up the good work. Yes, my brother. The word is love.
I'm going to play it one more time. There you have it, Richard. You win, you win, you win. Comrade Wavell Hines, big up yourself, the next member of parliament for Clarendon Northern. Comrade Wavell Hines, our next minister of sports. Big up yourself, my brother. The word is love. Comrade Wavell Hines, God bless you. God bless you. One more time for Comrade Wavell Hines.
Big up yourself, Dre Bryan, on your first anniversary on TikTok. 1 more year on the bug of them. Yeah, man. Keep up the good work. Yes, my brother. The word is love.
Can you imagine? Big up yourself, Comrade Wavell Hines. But it not stop there, so It not stop there, so my people. I bet you not guess and tell me who is sending another shout out to the Dre Bryan platform. Guess and tell me who, no? I want you to guess and tell me who this voice belongs to.
Hey Dre, this is Cian Barneswell, MP candidate for Southeast Clarendon. I want to give a special shout out to you on this your first anniversary. Continue to do the good work. The people are listening in and they are being educated and sensitized of what is happening. And I want to keep pushing on because we will make Jamaica great again. One love, my brother. Keep up the good work. God richest blessing to you. From me and all the people here in Southeast Clarendon. One love.
Big up me Southeast Clarendon massive. You know how me campaign for Uno already? Let me tell you something. Man, nah stop until Comrade Ivan Wilson bring home Southeast and Rocky Division. And you, Mr. Cian Barneswell, you have to be the mayor and you have to be the next MP for Southeast Clarendon. Let me make sure play it again. Them things say no fubble double thing over here, so. One Cian Barneswell.
Hey Dre, this is Cian Barneswell, MP candidate for South. Hey Dre, this is Cian Barneswell, MP candidate for Southeast Clarendon. I want to give a special shout out to you on this your first anniversary. Continue to do the good work. The people are listening in and they are being educated and sensitized of what is happening. And I want to keep pushing on because we will make Jamaica great again. One love, my brother. Keep up the good work. God richest blessing to you from me and all the people here in Southeast Clarendon. One love.
Big up yourself, Comrade Cian Banzel. Big up Southeast Clarendon. I have one more to drop, but you know, if you rock and come in and top up the screen, my people, and take me to 800K, because this is a massive one. This is a big, big one. Jamaica, you know, if you saddle up on yourself. Saddle up on yourself for the next one. At 800K. Saddle up on yourself. It's going to be big. It is going to be big. All right? I'm asking you to tap up the screen and take me to 800K. Because trust me, you can't afford to miss this one. You can't afford to miss this one, man. You know, say I pay dignitaries come out for the Dre Bryan 1 year anniversary. I know not normal, you know. I know not normal, man. If you say a massive one, hey, me now look for you this afternoon, you know, Richard. You is something else. The dance I go start again, my people. The dance hot, the dance hot, the dance hot, the dance hot.
Love is sad.
Pull up. Good afternoon, Comrade Guan. So what go on, my darling? How you do? Your time, my sister. Good afternoon, Comrade Guan. So what go on, my darling? How you do? Your time, my sister.
Big up,
Good afternoon,
Dre.
Comrade Guan. So what go on, my darling? How you do? Your time, my sister.
Big up,
Good afternoon, Comrade Guan. So what go on, my darling? How you do? I'm getting a feedback. Just jump back out the box and call me back. Send me back a request, go on, so, and I'll add you shortly. I'm getting a feedback, so just send back a request. Thank you, Keith Mattison. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for that. Blessings. 776K. Keep it going. We're going for 1 million this afternoon for my 1 year anniversary. Yes, go on, so what go on?
Big up, Dre.
Thank you, my
I
darling.
am so proud today. I remember when I started out on TikTok. TikTok for me was just relax after a hard day of work, just relax and just watch any old foolishness. And when I buck up on your program, Dre, I may tell you, I look forward to those late nights. Some nights me no sleep, I go right through. Sometimes me drop asleep.
True, man.
And get up and go work with you same way. Cause I sleep through the program, you know, but I didn't hang up. You understand? And Dre, I've seen the growth. When you started, there was not really much encore for the People's National Party. You understand? But you started the narrative on TikTok around PNP. And trust me, today, Dre, I am proud that I have been there with you. Some of the times, you know, see me for one long time, cause you know how things go to work
But
and all
you're
of
right.
that. But
You're right there. It's true.
I am there. Some of the time, me just join, me not even say howdy. Me just have the thing and just a play. Dre, I am really proud today, and
Thank you.
congratulations on your big day. May I try for something there, you know. I'm try to see if I can top up, and it not happen. Me not have no coins left in my account, and me can't get the top up. And it hurt my spirit. If the other phone when me know me could have top up from, it logged me out.
The love is there, darling. The
But
love is
Dre,
there. That's all
I
that
am
matters.
telling you, it's
Thank you.
just enough love for it. Just
Thank
enough.
you.
Me just wait for my boss to come out of the meeting so my boss can send in cause me feel jealous. Yes.
Thank you.
All right,
Big up
Dre.
yourself, big up
Take
yourself.
care, and you know, say the work has just started. We still
Yes,
have a
ma'am.
lot of hurdles to cross,
Yes, ma'am.
but I
Thank
know that you will be there and you're up for the job.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
man.
you. Big up my sister. Don't forget that I'm celebrating my 1-year anniversary right here on TikTok. So we would have heard from party leader Mark Golding sending his love. We hear from our General Secretary, Dr. Dayton Campbell. We hear from the party chair, Angela Brown-Burke. We hear from Vice President Ian Hales. We hear from Senator Damian Crawford. We hear from His Worship the Mayor, Norman Scott. We hear from several councillors. We hear from Cian Barneswell. Yes, we hear from Comrade Wavel Hines. Let me tell you something. I have something big to drop. Are you ready, my people? Are you ready? Well, on the man. How it look like my brother from North Central Clarendon is in the chat. Let me not figure let in Dr. RJ Dixon. You know, see my stand support up on the platform this, you know. Yes, man. Let in Dr. Dixon in the group chat, please. Let him in, man. Good afternoon, Dr. RJ Dixon.
Afternoon, Comrade Dre. I am here. Congrats on 1-year anniversary, man.
Thank you, thank you.
You have been doing a fantastic job spreading the message of the party.
Yes.
You know, spreading the message of progress and true prosperity. Not this fake prosperity, them have true prosperity that this country needs. And we want to commend you, right? Sometimes when we talk about those who work and toil for the party, we only think about those who might walk around canvassing, but those who really put in the work on social media for us, for our party. Trust me, we appreciate you, right? You have helped to amplify our voices. Right now, nearly 300 people are just sitting here listening, and I'm sure they were probably more early in the morning.
Yes, man.
But we really thank you for the work that you and the others have been doing to really continue spreading the message for the People's Party.
Thank you. Thank you. Dr. Dixon, big up yourself, sir. Blessings.
Yeah, man.
Blessings. And the work, trust me, count on me to continue. We will bring home North Central together. Big up yourself.
Yes, absolutely. All right. Blessings.
Big up. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Thank you. Comrades, 12 more K to go. 800,000, and I'm going to drop 2 of the biggest endorsement you could ever listen, man. 12 more K to go. Keep the taps going, my people. Keep the taps going. You know, so the dance no normal. The dance are going good. Rock and come in, my people. See you back. See you back at 800K.
Everybody, love is sad.
Pull up. Are you ready, my people? Look at 803,000 likes. I tell you, you know, don't underestimate the power of comrades. Once we are together, a united PNP could never, ever fail. I tip my hats to each comrade this afternoon. God bless you. God bless you. Are you ready, my people? Are you ready, my people? I want you to guess the voice. Guess the voice you're about to hear endorsing the Dre Bryan family. Guess the voice, my people.
Good afternoon, Dre. This is Peter Bunting, congratulating you on the first anniversary of your show. Keep doing good work for the people. Big up.
Murder! Mighty God!
Good afternoon, Dre. This is Peter Bunting, congratulating you on the first anniversary of your show. Keep doing good work for the people. Big up.
1 PB, 1 Peter Bunting, the next member of parliament for Manchester Southern. Thank you, sir. God bless you. Thank you, and thank you. Me have to play it again, man. Me have to play it again.
Good afternoon, Dre. This is Peter Bunting, congratulating you on the first anniversary of your show. Keep doing good work for the people. Big up.
My God, my God. And just to top it all off, my comrades, just to top it off, my comrades, you know, all the veterans would have reached out to me. But you know, when it comes on to the young generations of today, you know, my PNP could never failed me. Senator Gabrielle Morrison, I love you, my sister. The next MP for Northwest St. Anne. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Just listen to the beautiful voice representing the youth of Jamaica.
Happy 1 year anniversary, Dre. For over a year, you have been taking TikTok by storm. And it's so important, the work that you do. I want you to know that you're appreciated. Thousands of people look forward to your program every day because it's not just a means of, entertainment and sharing, but it's also a means of education and promoting transparency and integrity in our democracy. And so the work that you're doing is so important. I want you never to forget that. Thank you for everything you do. I'm happy that I could be on your program quite a few times and look forward to sharing with you as you celebrate another year of a phenomenal program. Keep up the good work. Much love every time.
Then me could have be a labor right, my comrades? How me could have be a labor right, people of Jamaica? You must be crazy.
I mean, like me drink some. So put my chili me drink some. Everybody come when you're in it. Even sad, digga. Love is sad. Everybody, love is sad. Digga, damn. Dig sad. It just no. It just no.
Yes, Dr. Cole, good afternoon. What's the latest on the grounds now?
Good afternoon. Breaking news. I have made a major arrest. I arrest one by the name of Groundhog, leader of the gang. Get caught with 28 bag of buckles. Brown complexion. 5'8" tall. Medium build. Go by AK leader and best leader. So we have him in custody and we are referring for further investigation. If the bag that he carried to stole the buckle them, if the 28 bag was his own, because even the bag look like stolen bag. When I question Mr. Brown Hag, him said that him a go take it to court. So we can't go further in the here with any more. But I go and refer him to Ray and Nephew and D&G to find out if the buckle them are legally tended Ray and Nephew and D&G buckle. So as soon as I make any more arrests, I will make the public know. But I have one Mr. Groundhog here, 5'8" tall, brown complexion. Last weird place of travel was India, and we are trying to get in touch with the Indian police to find out if anything was missing there also. So that's the latest news.
Thank you for keeping me abreast. Yes, thank you for keeping me abreast on what's happening on the ground. Thank you. Jamaica, I'm about to invite someone so special to the Dre Bryan Show. When I add this individual, I want every proud females to stand proud as a comrade this afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, let me welcome, yes, the next Member of Parliament for St. Andrew Eastern, the one and only Patricia Sutherland Duncan. Good afternoon, Comrade Patricia. Welcome to the Dre Bryan Show. Thank you so much for celebrating with me my 1 year anniversary.
Happy for 1 year anniversary, Dre Bryan. It is so good to be here. I see you post them all the time, you know. I just follow you right here, so now I always watch you and see what you're doing. But it's good to be here, and thank you for bigging up women. I am here feeling very proud as the head of the PNP Women's Movement to know that Jamaica is moving in the right direction in the context of supporting women in leadership and supporting women in a positive relationship with men.
Thank you. That means so much. Thank you for gracing my platform. Thank you. God bless you, Comrade Sutherland.
Yeah, man. I wish I could have stayed longer with you all here, but I'm going into another meeting again. You know, life is always very busy. We are always working.
That's right.
Portia Simpson Miller would say.
That's right. Love
and
you.
I know that if she could, she would have wish you a 1 year anniversary too. Happy 1 year anniversary.
I know that. Big up yourself, Auntie Pat. Big up yourself. Love you. Big up yourself.
Love you.
God bless you. What a special moment. This is Jamaica. What a special moment. I'm speechless. I am in awe. Yes?
Dre, Dr. Dayton.
Let me tell you something. What a special moment. I am out of words, you know. God is so good. God is so good. I just want you to listen to the voice of the next person. For those of you who would have missed it, I want you to listen and listen good. Are you ready? Yes, man. Let's listen together, my people.
Greetings, Deborah, and this is Mark Golding. I have learned that today is your first anniversary on TikTok, and I just want to wish you a very happy anniversary on this auspicious occasion and urge you to keep up the good work. You're having an impact, and you're helping to shape opinions in our nation in a positive way. So God bless and one love.
You hear that, my people? Let me play it again so that you can hear it.
Greetings, Deborah, and this is Mark Golding. I have learned that today is your first anniversary on TikTok, and I just want to wish you a very happy anniversary on this auspicious occasion and urge you to keep up the good work. You're having an impact, and you're helping to shape opinions in our nation in a positive way. So God bless and one love.
Thank you, my soon-to-be Prime Minister. God bless you. Next up, we have...
Dre, Dr. Dayton Campbell here, GenSec of the PNP. I hear that it's your anniversary. Just want to wish you a happy anniversary. Want to commend you for the tremendous work that you do on the front line of the battlefield for the People's National Party, the People's Party. Congratulations, brother, and continue to do the hard work. Your party is grateful. Blessings.
I want to play it one more time for my General Secretary.
Dre, Dr. Dayton Campbell here, GenSec of the PNP. I hear that it's your anniversary. Just want to wish you a happy anniversary. Want to commend you for the tremendous work that you do on the front line of the battlefield for the People's National Party, the People's Party. Congratulations, brother, and continue to do the hard work. Your party is grateful. Blessings.
Wonderful. Big up yourself, Dr. Dayton Campbell, my party General Secretary. And of course, what about the Vice President? what about our vice president?
Hey, Dre, from the Dre Bryan Show. Happy 1 year anniversary, my brother. Happy 1 year anniversary. 1 year is a long time. It's a long time doing this on behalf of the people. And when you listen to the Dre Bryan Show, it means to lift the people up, to lift up the people of Jamaica. And you've been lifting up people on your show. So once again, today we lift you up to say happy 1 year anniversary. So keep lift up the nation, keep lifting up the people. Ian Eales, Vice President of the People's National Party. Respect.
Pick up yourself, Vice President Ian Eales. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
Sending a real big time shout out to Dre Bryan on this first anniversary. Listen, man, I want to thank you for keeping it educational, for keeping it honest, for keeping it real on behalf of the people. You are the people's champion celebrating your 1 year anniversary. Big up yourself. Big up, big up, big up.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Madam Chair. Big up yourself. Big up yourself.
Sending a real big time shout out to Dre Bryan on this first anniversary. Listen, man, I want to thank you for keeping it educational, for keeping it honest, for keeping it real on behalf of the people. You are the people's champion celebrating your 1 year anniversary. Big up yourself. Big up, big up, big up.
Thank you. Thank you, Party Chief. All right, I see persons asking me to play Comrade VP Ian Eales one more time. Let me replay that again. Big up yourself. God bless Sinap Bertro.
Hey, Dre, from the Dre Bryan Show. Happy 1 year anniversary, my brother. Happy 1 year anniversary. 1 year is a long time. It's a long time doing this on behalf of the people. And when you listen to the Dre Bryan Show, it means to lift the people up, to lift up the people of Jamaica. And you've been lifting up people on your show. So once again, today we lift you up to say happy 1 year anniversary. So keep lift up the nation, keep lifting up the people. Ian Eales, Vice President of the People's National Party. Respect.
Respect to you, sir. Respect. Respect. And of course,
Good afternoon, Dre. This is Peter Bunting, congratulating you on the first anniversary of your show. Keep doing good work for the people. Big up.
one love, one PB, our soon to be MP for Manchester South. Big up, big up, big up. And of course, we have another one.
Wow, 1 year already. 1 year of the Lord's work, working in the Lord's vineyard to spread the good news. Dre Bryan, happy anniversary. Happy 1 year anniversary of you being on TikTok, spreading our message throughout TikTok land to the younger generation, to my cohort, because I am president of the Patriots. I would just want to wish you all the best. We want you to continue the good work and we want to hear more from you. So big up yourself, Dre. Big up your team. And we thank you from the Patriots, from Christopher Henry, Paul Blake. We thank you for everything that you do.
Big up yourself, Comrade Christopher Henry. Big up yourself, Comrade Paul Blake. You know, the PNP Patriot, the youth arm. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Mighty God.
Happy 1 year anniversary, Dre. For over a year, you have been taking TikTok by storm. And it's so important, the work that you do. I want you to know that you're appreciated. Thousands of people look forward to your program every day, because it's not just a means of, entertainment and sharing, but it's also a means of education and promoting transparency and integrity in our democracy. And so the work that you're doing is so important. I want you never to forget that. Thank you for everything you do. I'm happy that I could be on your program quite a few times, and look forward to sharing with you as you celebrate another year of a phenomenal program. Keep up the good work. Much love every time.
There you go, our PNPYO president. Big up yourself, Senator Gabriel Morris. Listen, I'm so overwhelmed. I am so happy to be a comrade. And every single person this afternoon that supports the PNP should be proud and happy that the entire hierarchy of the People's National Party embrace the Dre Bryan platform. I could not have done it without each and every one of you, and every single person this afternoon that is listening, that is commenting, that send a gift should be happy, should be proud to be a part of this movement. I thank you. I thank you. I thank you. We have a few more to drop, but we're going for the 1 million likes. We have hello. We're going to claim 1 million this afternoon. Don't forget that the police say me have until 6 p.m. before the permit for lock off. So guess what? It's just 3 o'clock. And the party just starts. What do I have to say about that?
Love is sad. The girl them. Big sad. The just no. The just no.
I just want to replay a special voice note. When you see the party leader, the general secretary, the vice president, the party chair, just a big up the Dre Bryan platform, I feel so proud to be a comrade. I'm feeling so proud. And I think the next segment, my people, is a segment where we have to play some PNP songs. Not true. I feel it's time now for me to pay tribute to some People's National Party songs. Yes, man. I think we would have enjoyed the afternoon. Just a go on with myself, and it's now time to play some PNP song. Yes, man. Top up the screen, my people. Top up.
My father Banya, my father Banya, my grandmother Banya, my grandmother Banya, Ayana Banya, my leader Banya.
Yes, good afternoon again, Jay.
Go ahead, Uncle. Go ahead.
Yeah, as we go down into this section, I want you to send some love to Comrade Portia Simpson Miller,
yes,
Comrade PJ Patterson, and Comrade Dr. Peter David Phillips. As you interpret it with our party music, I want to dedicate this particular section to those 3 leaders of our party.
Yes.
This section. Just send some love to them, especially Mama P, Dr. Peter Phillips, and Comrade PJ Patterson. Thank you.
Yes, man. I agree. Big up to Mama P. Big up to party former Prime Minister PJ Patterson, and of course Peter Phillips. Big up on yourself. The word is always always love.
Shalom and shalom. Hey, this a fake clocks, bad man. Yeah, man. Michelle Charles, if you come down now. Juliet, yes, if you come down now.
Thank you. Let me tell you something. I have something major to drop at 900K. Yes, I have something extremely major. If you no ever bring the taps to 1 million, I make a blow on out of the park. Oh no, I'm not disappointed this afternoon. You know, I want Dre Bryan, and it's one PNP and it's one Mark Golding, the next Prime Minister of this country. And let me tell you something. If you no ever dare take the taps to 1 million, I blow on out of the park with a surprise. You hear what I said to you? Me say, if you no ever dare take the tap past 900,000 and make it reach 1 million, I blew on right out of the park with one of the biggest endorsement ever to come across TikTok. You understand? So continue to tap up the screen. I am proud. We have already made history. But 1 million likes for my 1 year anniversary. I am quite deserving. Yes, man. God bless. Rock and come in the dance, man. The dance still a keep. My people. Wagwan. Talk to me.
Yeah, why you play the song for Mama P? She's royal.
She's royal for Comrade Sister P, former Prime Minister, the first female
Prime Minister.
Yes,
love her
man.
to the moon.
Lady from Woodall.
Run it.
I love that. Perfect request. Thank you. Definitely pay my tribute this evening to Mama P. Of course, don't forget to tap up the screen. Don't forget my life goal, 10 money guns I want this afternoon. I'm gonna get it, cause we are comrade, and every mickle make a muckle. I'm no believe in a Dre Bryan. You have done extremely well so far, and I know that we can do it. God bless you. Hey, Xavier, large up yourself, Xavier, cause boy, me I tell you, say, Xavier, you make me feel happy, you make me feel proud. Thank you for the gifts, my brother. I see you. And all the gifters, them, the thing them a go up so fast, me can't even call out everybody's name, but you know on yourself. Mama P, she's royal. Mama P, strength of a woman. Yes, man. Mama P sang them here, oh God, when time I play them song here, I want to just top up the screen. Take me to 900K. And you know, so we're up on the last leg leading to 1 million when I go drop a bombshell on the labor rights them this evening. Money pull up, them say, money pull up. Wagwan, Jack, big up yourself, wagwan.
He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. Dre Bryan, morning, good evening, and everything in a one. How you doing, sir?
Why would they blaze the fire?
How you feel?
I feel proud to be a member of the People's National Party.
Yeah, no. Yo, me can't. Me no remember I wish month, but me can't remember the night when me did work on the run through TikTok and me see the PNP. I mean, when me slack on it and me see, me hear some talking when me I say yes. that page are coming like it belongs to me, you know. And from that, me no Lego, you know, brother.
I will never disappoint.
I will never disappoint. And me hear about 4 persons confirm. You remember for a long time, me I tell you. I mean about 4 persons confirm it today. The radio station. You remember me I tell you that long time? Now say a word, man. It had it way. It had it way. And where's the big boss, big you up, so you know say something in play for you, man. Just go and enjoy the rest of your day, brother, and just go and do your thing, because people love you. And on go 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. A whole heap of people love you. Not care what they want to do, not care what they want to say. As me said before, he that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Mighty. God bless your youth. Just go and big up yourself and me there. Alright?
Thank you,
Take it easy.
brother. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. And One Dre TV are over here, so the people I'm locking to One Dre TV. Good afternoon, my darling Cheyenne. Big up yourself. Is royal indeed, indeed, indeed. My God. What's up, Sister P?
Natural beauty, you know.
Mama P.
Yeah. No, I've never been someone shy until I seen your eyes. Still, I had to try.
Pull up. Wagwan, my sister Pinky, Wagwan.
Wagwan, Dre. They are listening to taking the show, see all the people them pass through the dance,
right.
and Dr. Cold throat, who for throat, and fight boss and everything like a drat and rum cup turnover and everything like that. But in all the excitement, we must remember October is the breast cancer month for our women.
Yes.
And I would like you to play a song for the shout out to all the women who have endured cancer.
Yes.
Not just breast cancer, but cancer overall.
Yes.
And who are survivors of that disease.
True.
That's all I have to say now. Later.
All right. I'll take note of it. Thank you, my sister. Big up. God bless.
Yeah.
Tell us something. 90 more K people to square off at 1 million before I drop the big massive endorsement over here. You can't wait. You can't afford to miss that endorsement. 90 more K, my people. 89 more K and counting. And we'll reach the 1 million top. History have created only within the people's. So pause to acknowledge tomorrow is also Mental Health Awareness Day. So all those people who are mentally ill, mentally challenged, let us give them the support. Let us keep them in our prayers, and we'll definitely uplift them tomorrow. It's October, and we'll also pay homage to those living and struggling with cancer, those survivors. Our heart goes out to them as well. The party continue. God is good and God is great. 1 Portia Lucretia Miller, 1 PNP, and of course it's the Dre Bryan 1st anniversary, and so far we are speechless. The outpouring of love is immense. Listen, man, I'm proud, I'm happy, and I feel like $1 million this year. All about the People's National Party, all about the comrades. Yes, man, everybody with them navel string cut on the PNP. A phone segment this as we wind things down, as we head to 1 million likes, where we're going to drop a bombshell this afternoon. Stick and stay for that endorsement of Dre Bryan. Yes, man, you can't wait. You can't afford to miss this one. You can't. You just can't.
It no make sense, nobody. Up and running, rain or sun in the PNP party. Come in. Follow me, no jet. Watch this. Say we evil string cut from PNP. It no make sense, nobody try change we. Waste our time to go vote with the GLP. Step up the progress for all of we. Alright, me hear one bag of yapping, one bag of chatting. When PNP attack up your cheering and clap, the gate fly sister P. Get the party a cracking, beat them up, bad water, hell ever whopping. Bad out the road, there is just no stopping. Sister P a run things, nobody can stop her. Watch out the crowd, them a block her. Say from Moran Pine, right back to Neckville. From Montego Bay back to Shooters Hill. From Santa Cruz up to Myersville. All when you look up in a Malvern Hill. The man them a work hard and put up windmill. Look how we road them fix up and pretty. From St. Elizabeth up to Kingston City. From Montego Bay back to Otik. Every man a shout out Sister P. When evil string cut from PNP. It no make sense, nobody try change we. Waste our time to go vote with the GLP. Step up the progress for all of we.
Hold up. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. 933K. Let me tell you something. We are 3/4 away from there. Continue to tap up the screen. At 280 that we over here, you know. Wanna take turns, no man. Some of we finger hurt we from morning, you know. Wanna take turns, man. All 285. It doesn't matter if you're a comrade or a labor, right? Tap up the screen, man. We're all Jamaica. Wanna notice how the life just peaceful all morning? Not a labor right disturb we. What? Listen, no, man. We have to give God thanks, you know. We have to give God thanks. Not a labor right disturb the peace. Putting them there one side, lock out of the dance. Can't come in. My God. Forward, Sister P. Forward. Your time, Sister P.
What we need today. You are the chosen vessel to take us along the way. You're strong, fit, and ready to lead us, come what may. With the Father's help and our vote, you'll surely win the day. Oh! Forward, push forward. Forward, PNP. Hey, hey, hey. Forward, push forward to another victory. Oh, yes. Rise to your calling, fulfill your destiny.
Pull up the song. Pull it right up. How are them?
What we need today. You are the chosen vessel to take us along the way. You're strong, fit, and ready to lead us, come what may. With the Father's help and our vote, you'll surely win the day. Oh! Forward, push forward. Forward, PNP. Hey, hey, hey. Forward, push forward to another victory. Oh, yes. Rise to your calling, fulfill your destiny. Lead us with compassion, strength, and integrity. Man, say, forward, push forward. Forward, push forward.
good evening, here, Haven. What's up, my sister?
Dre,
Talk to me.
good afternoon. Me never did plan to say nothing on your show. Cause me know say your show of a celebrity and true me no celebrity.
No, sister man, we are the People's National Party. We are all about the people.
All right. Here what I am not a internet online person like that, only for business.
Yes.
And I joined TikTok a couple months ago. And one day I was passing and heard you on a live. And I stopped and I listened. And I heard everything I wanted to hear. And you were so passionate. You have me hooked from that day until now. And that was in May.
Thank you.
So
Thank
from
you.
May until now, every single day, every morning, before me leave my house, my have to tune in. And if me go off street I do business, my have to tune in.
I love you. I love that.
So congrats. This can only get better and bigger. Right?
True.
From here on. And with support from everybody, you know you're large.
Thank you.
That
Thank
me I
you.
tell you.
Thank
So
you.
go and burn the fire, go and spray the roach them, go and draw down the vulture them where catch up on the wall.
That's right.
We have to do the people business.
God bless you. God
And
bless you.
congrats, my little brother.
Love you. Love you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. My God. Don't forget, you can still send your requests. Big me up. It's my 1 year anniversary. The party shot. The party sell off. Don't forget, any other comrades them take me to 1 million likes. I have a special endorsement endorsing the Dre Bryan platform. Anyhow, wanna grant me that favor of taking this live to 1 million taps. You would have broken my record almost 6 times. The most I have ever been to is 300,000 likes. You take me to 400, you take me to 5, you take me to 6, you take me to 700K, 800K, and I'm now on the last lap of 900K. Who could it be but mighty God? I believe in the power of the dream. And that is one thing with the People's National Party. A united PNP could never be dismayed. I thank you. I tip my hat to each and every member that supports the PNP this afternoon. God bless, God keep, the party continue. I'm going to drop something. 1 million, mark my words.
Stop it.
Pull up. Wagwan Stalamar, wagwan, my brother.
Man, big up yourself, man. Trust me, I never know say it's 1 year now, yeah, the blogging. It come like about 15 years. I'm telling you the truth.
Boy, may I tell you. When you're a pro, you do the things them like you know it go.
Yeah, man, I have to big you up, man. I'm big up you for the work you do for the people in Jamaica, not for just PNP alone. For everybody, you understand me?
True.
And lots of labor, right? Take a page out of your book and have to try straighten up themselves, you understand?
True, you talk.
So you're doing a great job and you're doing it good, and I just hope for the rest of the time you're being black, just keep your platform respectable
Yes.
and honest and truth. You understand?
Thank you.
Because at this moment you don't know how far you can reach. You can end up to run a radio station in Jamaica. So remember, it's not just few people that listen to you. You have all different races of people that listen to you.
True.
You understand? And I hope that you keep your thing very organized, because you have Christian listen to you, you have pastor, you have deacon, you have principal, you have young pitney. So a whole lot of time I see you keeping true, and you know lots of mature person respect people, come and show you respect. It's not Jamaican alone people that listen to you, but the America.
True.
So you can say, yeah, listen right around the world. So just keep your respect up and do the good work, okay?
Thank
so God
you,
bless
scholar.
you.
God bless you to my brother. Thank you, and thank you again.
PNP massive and the move again. Forward, PNP. Oh yeah. Forward, the national victory. Rise to your calling, fulfill your destiny. Over Jama woman, lead us all of it. Oh yes. Forward, PNP. Forward, another victory. Rise to your calling, fulfill your destiny. Unite us in one love, peace and harmony. Massive forward, push up, forward, push up.
Pull up. Do you know Wagwan? Hello, Dwayne. Good afternoon. Go ahead,
Hello?
please. Yes, man, I'm hearing you. Go ahead.
Hey, Dre, how you doing, man?
Not too bad. We there.
Boy, congratulations on your 1 year anniversary.
Thank you.
And I see more to come.
Thank you.
You know, you've been doing a very, very good job.
Thank you.
I remember, I think it's about January, when I stumbled on your platform, you know, and I've been hooked on your platform ever since.
Thank
I
you.
see many other platforms started after you, and I know they started because of you.
True.
You know? Yeah, but what stand out for me now, I remember the local government election. I can never forget that night. You know, you were so infused in everything.
Yes.
When we were leading, you know, and then when it comes down to the last part, when the GLP start to make up some grounds, I was beside you, but I could feel the tears. I could hear it in your voice.
True.
You know, I remember. So I see the passion that you have for the PNP, and just keep on doing what you're doing, because of this platform, I have learned so much. You know, from Howard, Dino, and all the other bloggers who participate. Yeah. So just continue doing what you're doing, and happy anniversary again.
Thank you. Thank you, my brother. God bless you. God bless you. Big up. Comrades, we done it. We have done it. History once again. 1 million taps. I never had a doubt in any one of you. I never have any doubts at all. Tap up the screen, tap it up. This is a proud moment. I thank. My God, thank you guys so much. Are you ready, Jamaica? Promise made, promise kept. Are you ready to hear something special this afternoon? Are you ready to hear someone embracing Dre Bryan platform, celebrating with him his 1 year anniversary? Jamaica, can you please make welcome the one and only? Make welcome, please. Make welcome, please. Make welcome, please. Are you ready, my people? Everybody ready long time. Everybody ready. Ready. Hey, Richard, where you not going, man? Everybody ready.
This is Isaac Buchanan, and I want to big up Dre Bryan on his 1-year anniversary on TikTok. Continue doing great work, and you know it go. Big up yourself.
What want to see a while ago?
This is Isaac Buchanan, and I want to big up Dre Bryan on his 1-year anniversary on TikTok. Continue doing great work, and you know it go. Big up yourself.
Me not hear at all. Me not hear that a while ago. Repeat again for me, please.
This is Isaac Buchanan, and I want to big up Dre Bryan on his 1-year anniversary on TikTok. Continue doing great work, and you know it go. Big up yourself.
No, man. I want to play some more voice note. I want to play some more.
Big up yourself, Dre Bryan, on your first anniversary on TikTok. 1 more year upon the bug of them. Yeah, man. Keep up the good work. Yes, my brother. The word is love.
Big up yourself, Comrade Wavel Hines. Thank you.
Hey, Dre, this is Cian Barneswell, MP candidate for Southeast Clarendon. I want to give a special shout out to you on this your first anniversary. Continue to do the good work. The people are listening in, and they are being educated and sensitized of what is happening. And I want to keep pushing on, because we will make Jamaica great again. One love, my brother. Keep up the good work. God richest blessing to you from me and all the people here in Southeast Clarendon. One love.
Big up yourself, Dre Bryan, on your first anniversary on TikTok. 1 more year upon the bug of them. Yeah, man. Keep up the good work. Yes, my brother. The word is love.
Thank you, Comrade Wavel Hines, and thank you, Comrade Cian Barneswell. Big up yourself.
Happy 1-year anniversary, Dre. For over a year, you have been taking TikTok by storm, and it's so important, the work that you do. I want you to know that you're appreciated. Thousands of people look forward to your program every day, because it's not just a means of, entertainment and sharing, but it's also a means of education and promoting transparency and integrity in our democracy. And so the work that you're doing is so important. I want you never to forget that. Thank you for everything you do. I'm happy that I could be on your program quite a few times, and look forward to sharing with you as you celebrate another year of a phenomenal program. Keep up the good work. Much love every time.
Thank you, my sister. Thank you, the President of the People's PNP YO Youth Arm, Senator Gabriel Morris. Thank you, my dear. Big up. And of course,
Good afternoon, Dre. This is Peter Bunting, congratulating you on the first anniversary of your show. Keep doing good work for the people. Big up.
thank you, Comrade Peter Bunting, the next MP for South Manchester. Big up yourself, sir.
Wow, 1 year already. 1 year of the Lord's work, working in the Lord's vineyard to spread the good news. Dre Bryan, happy anniversary. Happy 1 year anniversary of you being on TikTok, spreading our message throughout TikTok land to the younger generation, to my cohort, because I am president of the Patriots. I would just want to wish you all the best. We want you to continue the good work, and we want to hear more from you. So big up yourself, Dre. Big up your team, and we thank you from the Patriots, from Christopher Henry, Paul Blake. We thank you for everything that you do.
Thank you, Comrade Paul Blake and Christopher Henry. Thank you to the PNP Patriot. Thank you so much. And of course,
Sending a real big time shout out to Dre Bryan on this first anniversary. Listen, man, I want to thank you for keeping it educational, for keeping it honest, for keeping it real on behalf of the people. You are the people's champion celebrating your 1 year anniversary. Big up yourself. Big up, big up, big up.
Thank you, Party Cheer. Thank you, Dr. Angela Brown Burke. Party Cheer. Big up yourself, big up yourself. Much love, much love. And of course, it keeps getting better and better.
Hey, Dre, from the Dre Bryan Show. Happy 1 year anniversary, my brother. Happy 1 year anniversary. 1 year is a long time. It's a long time doing this on behalf of the people. And when you listen to the Dre Bryan Show, it means to lift the people up, to lift up the people of Jamaica. And you've been lifting up people on your show. So once again, today we lift you up to say happy 1 year anniversary. So keep lift up the nation, keep lifting up the people. Ian Hills, Vice President of the People's National Party. Respect.
Respect to you too, Vice President of the People's National Party, Comrade Ian Hales. Big up yourself, big up yourself, big up yourself. It keeps on getting better, my people. Better, better, and better.
Dre, Dr. Dayton Campbell here, GenSec of the PNP. I hear that it's your anniversary. Just want to wish you a happy anniversary. Want to commend you for the tremendous work that you do on the front line of the battlefield for the People's National Party, the People's Party. Congratulations, brother, and continue to do the hard work. Your party is grateful. Blessings.
Thank you. Thank you, Party General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, sir. God bless. God bless. God bless. Let me tell you something, Jamaica. You ready for another one? Should I continue? Can I continue, people? Yes, man. What a wonderful party. I am so proud to be a member of the People's National Party. I have some more, you know. I want you to listen to this other endorsement.
Aye, Selassie, Selassie. What can go so?
Pull up! Senator Crawford! Boy!
What's going on? What's going on? Hail the king.
Hail the king. Hail the man. Hail the man. What a moment.
Yeah,
Thank
man.
you, sir. Thank you for gracing my platform. I really appreciate this from the bottom of my heart. Trust me, trust me.
Yeah, man. We just a big up and a thank you and the total team, you know, who have been instrumental in getting our message out, you know.
That is it.
Everybody in the chat, big up to and thanks for supporting, yeah, giving us that energy and that encouragement to go out there and fight, you know.
That is it. That is it. Boy, me I tell you, me speechless. Here you go, Jamaica. Senator Damian Crawford. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. What a thing. What a thing. And of course, my people, of course, supporters of the Dre Bryan platform, the one and only.
Greetings, Deborah, and this is Mark Golding. I have learned that today is your first anniversary on TikTok. And I just want to wish you a very happy anniversary on this auspicious occasion and urge you to keep up the good work. You're having an impact and you're helping to shape opinions in our nation in a positive way. So God bless and one love.
No, man, me have to play that again. I have to play that again.
Greetings, Deborah, and this is Mark Golding. I have learned that today is your first anniversary on TikTok. And I just want to wish you a very happy anniversary on this auspicious occasion and urge you to keep up the good work. You're having an impact and you're helping to shape opinions in our nation in a positive way. So God bless and one love.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, party leader Mark Jefferson Golding. And of course, You know, we have to squeeze in one more. We have to squeeze in one more, of course.
This is Isaac Buchanan, and I want to big up Dre Bryan on his 1 year anniversary on TikTok. Continue doing great work, and you know it go. Big up yourself.
Say what now? Can you please repeat, Isaac? Can you please repeat, sir? Please? Please repeat.
This is Isaac Buchanan, and I want to big up Dre Bryan on his 1 year anniversary on TikTok. Continue doing great work, and you know it go. Big up yourself.
What a wonderful anniversary. What a wonderful anniversary. God has been so good to me. I can't complain today. I can't complain. With over 1 million likes.